Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. So I want to go over the must-do deals for you guys for next week at Walgreens. I have about 8 deals that I want to share with you guys, as well as announcing the winner to my most recent subscriber appreciation giveaway. So I'm super excited. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And check your accounts. There are some digital boosters on some accounts for next week. This is the one that popped up on my account. Spend $20, get 5,000 points back. So with this digital booster, keep in mind it is a spend booster, so do not pay with points. That way you'll get the 5,000 points back. I have quite a few deals I'm going to go over here in the next couple of minutes that you guys can add into this deal to get some great rewards back. $5 is a great price point. And remember, if you are going in store to do a digital booster deal, you can pay with register rewards or cash, credit, debit, whatever. Just do not pay with points. But definitely check your accounts now. If you have that, clip it to your card now. Those boosters do disappear when enough people clip them and send them to their card. So you want to make sure it does not disappear on you. Even if you don't know if you're going to use it, clip it in case, because you may find some great deals going on or some items that you need to run out for, and then you'll be able to get some additional savings with this booster. So some of the deals I want to go over with you are going to be available online, and some of them are essentials. There are some really cheap food deals and dinner ideas going on next week at Walgreens, so I thought it would be the perfect week to share those particular deals with you guys. And no coupons or anything are needed. You just have to be the Walgreens Rewards member, and that way you guys can get the price points available for next week. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button for me and the notification bell, so anytime I do post a new video, you guys don't miss out. Also, if you don't follow me yet on my Instagram, the link is below in the description box, as well as my Facebook. I do post additional deals or updates. It's been a little bit slower recently because a lot of people aren't going out as much, so I haven't done an Ibotta haul in about a week or two. I'd love to do another one, but with Walmart kind of being so crazy, I'm trying not to go out as much as possible unless I personally need something for myself or, of course, my family. So let's go ahead and dive into these deals. I will try to do another Walgreens online haul for you guys on Monday, so stay tuned on my channel for that. Sunday, I will be doing my CVS haul as well. There's a couple items that I need, like Tide laundry detergent. I usually get the large one, that way it lasts me a while and I don't have to keep going out. So the first deal is Kellogg's cereal. So the current week they're on sale, but the digital coupon is $1 off of 2. So you have to buy 2 to get the deal the current week with that coupon. Next week they're on sale for $1.88. And there is a 50-cent off coupon. So all you have to do is buy one box of cereal, and it's $1.38, which I think is an amazing deal. I think cereal is super expensive nowadays. It's like $3.50 a box, which I think is a little crazy, but at Walgreens next week, definitely a great price point. Even if you want to pick up a couple of them, the 50-cent off digital is obviously a one-time only coupon, but the $1.88 is still a really great price point to stock up on some cereal. Ground turkey. This is a great deal. So ground turkey is on sale a pound for just $1.99. So there's also a pasta deal, buy one, get one free on the shaker cheese, the spaghetti, and the pasta sauce. So that would be a really great cheap deal. You guys can grab the spaghetti, the pasta sauce, and the ground turkey, make a nice meat sauce, and then you'll have a nice, easy, cheap meal that you guys can do for next week. Dixie plates are on sale again. Buy one, get one half off. And there is a $1 off 2 digital coupon. So this would be a great deal if you need to stock up. You could do this online. So what you would do is buy any 2 plates, bowls, or cups. You can mix and match. They are $3.99 typically at my store, so the second item would be $1.99. You would use that $1 off 2 digital coupon, pay $4.98 for both, or just $2.49 each. Colgate. So this is not a bad deal. Also available completely online with a nice digital coupon. So Colgate is on sale. Buy 3, get 5,000 points back. So what you would do is buy 3. It's only on the Colgate Total Advanced toothpaste. They are $3.99 each next week with your card. And by card, that just means having the Walgreens Rewards program. You're going to clip the 5 off of 3 digital coupon, send it to your card. Then you'll pay just $6.97, get back the 5,000 points. So final cost is $1.97 for all 3, or about 66 cents per tube of toothpaste, which is definitely a great price point. Tide laundry detergent. This is the smaller one, the 37 or 40 ounce liquid, or the 12 to 16 count for the pods. They're both on sale for $4.99 next week. You're going to use a $2 digital coupon, or we are getting some in our April P&G insert. If your region does not get the Tide coupons in the insert like mine does not get the coupons, you can print them from pgeveryday.com. It is a one-time print per email, per P&G insert. So make sure you guys print it the day you're going to use it. They do expire 48 hours from when you print the coupon. So you want to make sure you're aware of that. Final cost would be just $2.99 each. Definitely not a bad deal. Very beginner friendly because, again, digital coupon. So we'll have to see if these are available online and if we can get these shipped. I know last time I checked, most of the laundry products were not available, so fingers crossed we can do it next week. So Rimmel Cosmetics are on sale, buy one, get one half off. So the cheapest product for Rimmel is their lip gloss. It's $3.99 at my store. So the second one would be $1.99. Another great digital coupon. There is a $4 off 2 digital coupon. Final cost is $1.98 for both lip gloss, or just 99 cents each. And of course, this will track towards Walgreens Beauty. For every $50 you spend on Walgreens Beauty items, you will get back 5,000 points. If you're new to couponing, that is the policy at Walgreens. Some Secret and Old Spice deodorant. If you guys need to stock up on any deodorant, they're on sale. Buy 2, get a $5 register reward. So what you would do is pick up 2 of the Old Spice deodorant or the Secret, doesn't matter. Use the $1 off 2 coupon we have coming in our April P&G insert that's coming on Sunday. We are getting 4 inserts on Sunday. I did post a coupon insert preview video. If you haven't checked that out yet, make sure you click the link below, or it will be at the end of the video. That way you guys know exactly what coupons are coming. And if you want to buy a newspaper, I will be purchasing 1 newspaper on Sunday, and then if I need any additional coupons, I will be purchasing them online. So after that coupon, you're going to pay $9 out of pocket, get back a $5 register reward. So final cost would be $4 for both, or just $2 each. Definitely a great price point because these deodorants are quite expensive, and regular price, they're starting at $6.49. So typically we get a digital coupon for the Secret and Old Spice as well. So fingers crossed, we'll have to double check on Sunday and see if that is something we can grab with a digital coupon. And Softsoap. So Softsoap Bodywash or Irish Spring, both on sale. Buy 2, get 5,000 points back. So it says we're getting a $1 off digital coupon, and in most Sunday papers. So typically my region gets 75-cent coupons. I did the math based on $2 coupons. So you would buy 2 of the Softsoap per se, use the $1 off digital, and $1 coupon from the $3.29 Smart Source insert we have coming on Sunday, or there was some in the $3.15 Smart Source insert as well. You'll pay just $5.98, get back those 5,000 points. So final cost is just 49 cents, which is an amazing price point for Softsoap. Again, you can grab the Irish Spring as well. If you want to mix and match, you can do that too. So here is the winner of my most recent giveaway. Congratulations to Sherry's Aquatic Haven. You have 2 days to go ahead and shoot me an email. Here is my email address listed. It's briecouponqueen@gmail.com. That way, send me your address where I can send all of these products and let me know within 2 days so I can get those out to you. I do have to order the inserts online and wait for them to come in. Then, of course, I will turn around and ship them right out to you. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed and entered the giveaway. I really appreciate all the support, all the great comments. I've gotten to learn a lot about a lot of you guys, so I definitely enjoyed that along the way. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. I will be doing the must-do deals for CVS as well. I'll try to do some that would be available online and some if you are going in store, if you need some essentials, some great deals that you can grab in store as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. And make sure you guys check your accounts. There are some digital boosters on some accounts for next week. This is the one that popped up on my account. Spend $20, get 5,000 points back. So with this digital booster, keep in mind it is a spend booster, so do not pay with points. That way you'll get the 5,000 points back. I have quite a few deals I'm going to go over here in the next couple of minutes that you guys can add into this deal to get some great rewards back. $5 is a great price point. And remember, if you are going in store to do a digital booster deal, you can pay with register rewards or cash, credit, debit, whatever. Just do not pay with points. But definitely check your accounts now. If you have that, clip it to your card now. Those boosters do disappear when enough people clip them and send them to their card. So you want to make sure it does not disappear on you. Even if you don't know if you're going to use it, clip it in case, because you may find some great deals going on or some items that you need to run out for, and then you'll be able to get some additional savings with this booster.